guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have another thrift store haul for you. I am on a roll here, and I'm loving finding all these great finds. And these were from a thrift store, but they are all some vintage items. So I will start here. This is a super old book. It's called The Twins' Wedding, and it was printed in 1926, and I found it for $3.99. So I thought that was really cool, but they're just like very aged pages, so those will be great for using in my junk journals. So there's that one. I found this cute Mickey Mouse. It's a reprint, but it's of a vintage Mickey and Minnie, so I just thought that was super cute. The images are really adorable. And I picked this book up for 99 cents. I found this little golden book, and I believe it's a reprint as well because the book is really in good shape. Santa's Toy Shop, and it says it was in 1950. It has really adorable illustrations. So I won't need to use this for a while, of course, not till next year, but you find those things in that was $1.99. And then I found some retro Better Homes and Gardens, and I actually have some of these Better Homes and Gardens from my mother who gave them to me. You know, she had them when she got married, and then she passed them on to me, but these I didn't have, and I found these at the thrift store, so they were $1.99 a piece. And here's a holiday cookbook, and they just have some, I just love the look of them because they're from 1950, I believe. 1959, this one. So this will be great in the junk journals. And then here's a dessert cookbook. So that was a great find. And then here's the salad book. So thought those were cool. And then the last thing I found was this advertising in the 50s, and it's a postcard set, and they're reprints of, I think, magazine ads, and there's 32 or 30 postcards in here, but I just thought these were really cool for retro themed junk journal. And this was $1.99 for this set. So awesome. I love them. It looks like there's some duplicates in there as well. So very cool. So that's what I have for this week's thrift store haul. I am going to visit my daughter in Ohio, and they have awesome antique shops there, so stay tuned for the next couple weeks. I may have some antique finds for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.